Hey, this is Mark Gannon from Gannon Associates, and today we're going to talk about independent agencies, our own agency, and how we've grown, and some things that go on here at Gannon Associates. Why did anybody go into insurance? I don't think insurance is something that a lot of people plan to go into. It wasn't certainly anything that I studied or thought about for much of my youth, though I did spend a lot of time mowing lawns and cleaning office buildings and being around the insurance agency. I never really worked in it too much. Dabbled in college, I guess doing some inspections for the staff and the agents here. But I guess at some point I realized the business that my father built, I'd spent a lot of time working with his partner Tom Abel as well, and really liked being around both of them, and felt as if it was something that would be worth giving a shot just to see if it was anything that I liked. It was a good introductory into it. I started basically working for the personal lines group and just doing work for them. An office position opened up in the Wyalusing office that allowed me to go down there and get involved in the community and work in an office, which gave me the ability to do everything from sales to service to the daily banking and filing. So it just ended up building from there, and then I stayed in it, and I've enjoyed it. It's a great business where you get to know people, you get to know businesses and what they do. It's a great way to be a part of your community, and that's how I ended up in insurance. And that's it for today. My name is Mark Gannon, Gannon Associates. If you need anything out there in the insurance world, please look us up.